So, my dear friends, we are here and it is Monday today, though this is not the day of speaking. But as per your demand, as I always want to move my class, run my class according to you, but not always. Though we have reading session is going on these days, but as you want, that's today we want to have a speaking session again. Though we had it on Saturday, but it is my duty to fulfill your desire according to you sometimes, not always. So, and you want to have a speaking session, and today you have to speak about Leonardo da Vinci. And you know about him, he was a painter. And what did he do? Where was he born? What do you know about him? You know very well about it. So, I would like to get your names in the message box, and I have got the first name of Rakshit, then Anuj. So come on, Rakshit. Today we start with you. Come on, beta.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on Leonardo da Vinci. So, we know that he was born in 1452, and I do not have the information of the date
Mm.
of his birth, but he was born in the year 1452,
Mm-hmm.
and he was an Italian person. Means means more specifically, he was an Italian painter and not an ordinary painter. He was one of the greatest
शाबाश.
painter
वेरी
in
गुड ऐसे.
Italy,
वेरी गुड. करो
and
जितना बोल सकते हैं, बोलो एकदम.
also but other than for being a painter, he was known for his mind also. Like people like in at least in and in all the world, in all over the world, many people from from past to present, from that time to now, many people think that he had a great mind. Nor he was not an ordinary person.
Mm.
like uh, like he was curious in many things. like he did not have interest in in only one thing. He had interest in many things. He wanted to know about different things across the environment of
शाबाश.
him,
Mm.
across the environment of his, or across all over the world. He wanted to know the science behind everything he saw in this world.
Mm.
So and also and whatever he gained from the world, like the knowledge of things in the world, he expressed it in the form of paintings and notes. He knew, he used to know about different things, and then he used to make paintings of them, and used to give remarks about the paintings or the things. And we can say it was his passion or hobby. and
Mm.
uh, and also and also he was curious in knowing about human body. It is not told at anywhere, but it is true that Leonardo da Vinci was also interested in the thing that how the human body works, and he did many experiments on it to find out how the human body works. So uh, so specifically, he was also interested in science very much,
Mm.
more specifically in biology.
Mm.
So, and also he was, it is said that he was not a non-vegetarian. He was vegetarian because he did not like the idea of killing any animals. And we see evidence from his life that whenever he used to go to market, where people used to sell birds in cages to put them at home. So he used to buy the birds in the cages
Hmm.
whenever he could buy them, and then he used to open the cages and let the birds fly away, and so it was a good thing about him that he did not theft the freedom of birds. He and also like about we see by his personality that he was we know that he was a curious person, but along this he was also a lonely person. He used to spend time alone, most alone, and he was a less interactable person, because as we know that he felt lonely many times, and so as we can so by this we can say that he was not only a painter, but he was a genius. That's
वेरी
it,
गुड,
sir.
शाबाश, ऐसे, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा। ऐसे कोशिश किया करो, बस जितना ज्यादा बोल सकते हो बोला करो। जब लिया ही है स्पीकिंग सेशन आपने, तो ट्राई टू स्पीक एज मच एज यू कैन। ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ अनुज। कम ऑन अनुज।
Hello everyone, my name is Anu and today the topic is Leonardo da Vinci, the greatest.
योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर अनुज, मेक इट ओके।
Sir, 1 minute. Sir,
जस्ट अ मिनट, आई एम कमिंग टू यू, जस्ट अ मिनट। Just a minute. I'm uploading the previous video. Okay, now come on, Anuj.
yes sir. Hello everyone. Today, my name is Anu and today the topic is Leonardo da Vinci, one of the greatest painters. So Leonardo, first of all, I would like to clear his name. So most of the people misunderstand his name. They think that Da Vinci is the surname of him, but it is not. Vinci is a town in Italy,
Okay.
and he is obviously Italian, and da is the word of da is an Italian word which means from or of.
Okay.
So it means Leonardo
Very
from Vinci. Yes, sir. So he was one of the greatest painters of Italy, and he has given a lot of incredible and amazing things to the world and to his loved ones. So he was obviously ordinary when he was born, but no one would ever thought that he would go so long. So he, by profession, he was a painter, and he painted a lot of greatest painting, and the Mona Lisa painting is one of them, which was also stolen from the museum once, and then it was found, and then it was again situated in a museum. So it was not one incident. His a lot of books were also lost, and so he was just not a painter, but he would like to he would always eager to learn something new or anything new. And he did not like to be surrounded by one thing, like, or learning the same thing again and again. He would explore different types of things, and make them interesting and follow them. So by being in Italy, which is one of the non-vegetarian country, he was vegetarian, and because he had the kindness of saving animals, or he could see the lives in the animals, in the eyes of the animals, and whenever he could he would try to save the animals from the cages and from killing them, and he uh, there is an example that how he saved the animals. So sometimes whenever he would pass through the shops, or from the market, the non-vegetarian market, he would buy the cages or the birds, and he would let them fly away. So that was how he saved the animals, and that was how his love for the animals. So Leonardo da Vinci had reached a lot of things in life, but I recently got that his last words were that I got offended God and mankind to not to give the quality I should have. So it was like he was not satisfied. Uh, so uh, we can guess that how unsatisfied he was and how eager he was to learn more. That after reaching a lot of after getting a lot of things, he was saying that I have not given quality work. So Leonardo da Vinci uh, has given us so much, and he is one of the painter who is worth to remember. That's it, sir.
Very good, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi, and today I'm expressing my view on the topic whose name is Leonardo da Vinci. You know that he was a very, Italy greatest painters, and he was born in 1452, and he was a very gentle person, and he was very lonely person, and uh, he was a very, if we say that a very सर अलग हटके को क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Different person.
हाँ, a different person from others, and
Unique भी कह सकते हो आप.
okay,
हाँ, yes.
he was a very unique person from others, and he was very, interested in different things too, and he was a very, non-veget. He was a very not vegetarian, and he didn't like to kill any animals ideas, and whenever he would go to the bazaar or markets, he would purchase cages that in the cages the birds are in the capped, and he purchased it, and he opened the cages, and the fly the birds. So he was very unique person, and the painting of Mona Lisa was very famous that he made, and
Very good. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
and and some some books and notebooks have been lost, and some
Were
are
lost. हाँ. बोल बेटा बोल. Tense का ध्यान रख बेटा थोड़ा सा.
some were taken to the different countries, and and he was a gentle person, and and uh, uh, and he likes to
Liked.
search, he liked to search new things.
Hmm.
Uh, so at last I want to say that Leonardo da Vinci was a great painter. Thank you, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, धीरे धीरे आ रहा है बेटा इम्प्रूवमेंट। अब और थोड़ा फोकस करना है बेटा, सुना कर बेटा अच्छे से, है ना बेटा? वह फॉर्म पे थोड़ा फोकस किया कर। बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा है बेटा। ओके, आ जाओ नेक्स्ट। लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, I am expressing my view about Leonardo da Vinci. He was a great painter in the list of Italian painter,
शाबाश,
and
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ
he lived in Italy,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
and he was born in 1952, 1452, and he always was curious in the sense of new thing, and he wanted to search many different things in the books, and many paintings were painted by him, like Mona Lisa was a famous painting that made by him,
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, दैट वाज मेड। हाँ, शाबाश बेटा।
and he always, whenever his painting, whenever he paints some picture, in the below of the picture, he always remarked a lot of in the below of the picture, and he described many things in on the pictures, and as you know that his many his notebooks were taken by many different countries, and some his notebooks were lost,
वेरी गुड।
and
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ,
many persons thought that his notebooks gave them a lot of idea to paint new things,
शाबाश।
and he was alone. I think he didn't have any family, so liked to remain alone, and sometimes he knew about many things, and he was he was vegetarian, and he didn't like to kill any animals to eat it, and whenever he went to bazaar, he always bought birds, and he flied many birds from the cages, and
ही वुड फ्लाई या ही फ्लू। फ्लाइड नहीं बेटा, सेकंड फॉर्म फ्लू होती है। हाँ,
yes, sir. And he his thoughts and his mind was famous, and he was known his good mind,
फॉर
and
हिज गुड माइंड। हाँ, बोल बेटा, बोल बोल बोल।
mind, and Leonardo da Vinci was very famous in all the country, because he was known in all the country, and I think that he in the end of his life, he painted some pictures, and that's it, sir.
अरे वेरी गुड यार बेटा, बहुत अच्छा यार, मजा आया यार, वेरी गुड यार बेटा। ऐसे कोशिश किया करो, बस बात ये है। सब कुछ यू आर स्पीकिंग वट एवर इज देयर इन योर माइंड, सो स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश। यस, दिस इज द मेन थिंग। कम ऑन आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is about Leonardo da Vinci. As we all know that he was one of Italy's greatest painter of this world, and as we all know that is and their paintings is very was very nice, and one painting we can see in the museum of any museum of, in the USA, and
Very good,
that
shabash.
famous painting is Mona Lisa, and I think some people say that it is the greatest painting of the world, and sometimes he would sometimes he went to the bazaar, and then he would buy the birds when he could open the cages and let them fly away,
अरे वाह, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. हाँ, yes.
and he only ate vegetables because he did not like the idea of killing of any animal,
Hmm.
and so many people like their notes and their drawings, which and but some countries some countries took their notebooks and uh, and uh, and notes, and then they show the and then they published that notes and drawings their own by their own
On नहीं,
names,
on.
own
हाँ.
own own name, and it is very bad thing because the real owner of that painting and notes notes and paintings owner is fake, but the real owner is the very is the सर काबिलियत की तारीफ मतलब
Hmm.
काबिलियत की तारीफ कैसे बोलूं
काबिलियत, ability, तारीफ का मतलब admiration.
Sir. And the real painter of that paintings and that notes is very really ability of uh, mm,
तारीफ के काबिल.
हाँ
हाँ, तो इसको आप कह सकते हो प्रेज है. तारीफ के काबिल को आप कह सकते हो वर्थ प्रेजिंग.
sir. And we can say that the real painter of that painting is really the सर क्या बताया था मेरे को याद नहीं हो रहा
वर्थ.
वर्थ
वो क्या बोला था मैंने भी, मैं भी भूल गया वो. वर्थ एडमिरेशन.
worth admiration,
हाँ.
and we should not forget that person who make these paintings, and yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. सिमरन.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir. Today I am telling about the story. I mean about नाम क्या था?
लियोनार्डो डा विंची.
लियोनार्डो द
विंची. अब आप इसके लिए ही यूज कर लेना तू, ठीक है ना? हाँ, बोल.
He was the greatest painter, and he was born in 1452 in the country of European country, that name I think Italy, and he was the greatest painter, and he painted the famous painting that name the Mona Lisa painting, and he was the kind person because he did not like क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, he did not like the idea of killing the any animal, birds, and always wanted, he always bought he always bought many cages of birds
हम्म
because he wanted free of them.
You wanted
uh,
to free them. हाँ बोल बेटा. हाँ कोई बात
wanted
नहीं, बोल 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 चलता, कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू बेटा. हाँ
sir. And uh, he was a painter. It is not his it is not his uh, सर इट इज नॉट his सर मजबूरी को क्या बोलेंगे?
he was not compelled, ऐसे बोल सकते हो, वो मजबूर नहीं था.
He was not compelled because it is his hobby. And sometime he not sometime, almost time he draw many paintings, and whenever he know new things, he wrote down in his notebook. And uh, uh, but it's not a good thing because after he died, his notebooks were lost, and his notebooks were were
taken. हाँ
were
शाबाश.
taken were taken in
Two
by
different. हाँ बोल बेटा, बोल
two
आराम से
different
बोला.
countries. And that's not good thing. And you know, he was vegetarian because he did not like non-vegetarian foods.
वेज. ओके हाँ ठीक है. यस यस यस, यू आर राइट. हाँ बेटा.
Okay, sir. And he didn't satisfied the behavior of society, and
He was not satisfied with the behavior of society. हाँ
okay, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बोल बेटा.
And you know, he whoever the lonely person uh, who always become a greatest artist because the सर खाली समय,
फ्री टाइम, लेजर भी कह सकते हो आप इसको. लेजर, लेजर, LEISURE, लेजर. आप तो फ्री टाइम बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं है.
because in a free time we found our inside artist. And he always live he always lived lonely, and that time he draw paintings, many paintings, and he was really kind person. That's it, sir.
वाह शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. आप तो बिल्कुल डरती नहीं है तू, हैं? ऐसे बोला कर बेटा, और बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. कोशिश किया कर बेटा बस, है ना. और सुना जरूर करो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को, और इम्प्रूव करोगे बेटा. यस खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. Myself, Khushi Gujar. I am telling about Leonardo.
Da Vinci. हाँ.
He was great painter, and he was born on 14
in
in 1490 52. He was one of the Italy's great painters.
शाबाश.
He was a curious person. He always thought about new things, and he liked nature, animals.
शाबाश.
There were many good habits of him, like he didn't like non-veg, and he respect all animals, and he didn't like to capturing birds in the cage, and he would like to fly birds in the cages, and there are many picture paintings of him today's, and he always he always used to write some information beside the pictures.
शाबाश.
He didn't give no sir. He gave less informations about himself. By reading his books, we can know about him. And is that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाओ बेटा.
पता नहीं वाला मैं ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश करती हूँ, लेकिन
कोई बात नहीं है, हो जाएगा, है ना. और थोड़ा सा फोकस डेवलप करो. कब तक नहीं होगा, कैसे नहीं होगा, सब हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा सब. बिल्कुल टेंशन मत लिया कर, एक तो स्ट्रेस मत लिया कर. ठीक है ना बेटा. हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है. स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना चाहिए बेटा, है ना. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, सब हो जाएगा. अच्छा था ये भी, और अच्छा हो जाएगा. यस गौरव, आज तो बहुत लेट तूने नाम लिखा भाई, क्या बात है. ये तो आज जल्दी लिखने वाले इतना लेट कैसे हो गए आज. यस गौरव.
यस सर. सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है बेटा.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about Leonardo da Vinci.
हाँ, किमची. बोल.
Leonardo da Vinci
हाँ,
was
जानबूझ के कर रहा है ये. हाँ बोल.
Leonardo da Vinci was a great was a great painter. And he painted very good and astonishing artworks. But he was a very mysterious, lonely, and also kind man. Like some people say that he bought birds and then freed them out of their cage. So he's kind, but he was also very lonely. He used to like to be alone, and he had no friends. And also he was a genius because he knew everything about his art or what he's going to make. Like art also requires maths, the geometry, the area, the shape, the diameter, blah 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 blah. So he was a genius. And also he was a mysterious man also. He hid many secrets in his artworks.
Hmm.
like a hidden face, a hidden message,
Hmm.
or something else.
Hmm.
And but overall, he was one of the greatest minds the Mother Earth has ever given born to,
Hmm.
given birth to.
Hmm.
And also, there are many tales, and his notebooks were the most precious thing he ever had. After his death, many countries sneezed or uh, uh, took his notebooks, or some were taken, and some were lost. And in those notebooks, there were many artworks and
Hmm.
about them, the notes
Hmm.
about them, how
Hmm.
will he make them,
Hmm.
with what practice he will make them, in what time he took to make them, blah blah. And it's a
Blah
very
blah
long
blah
story. He was.
blah. Ah.
It's too much, sir, for me. It's too much for me.
Hmm.
And overall, he is an undescribable man, which was very mysterious, very kind, very lonely, but a genius. That's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड शाबाश अलग ही स्टाइल है इसका बोलने का भाई इसका ये बट नाइस वेरी नाइस शाबाश बेटा
ये
के बेटा
बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
बाबूराव का अच्छा यस हर्ष भैया आज तो तूने बहुत
यस
लेट नाम लिखा क्या बात है तेरा
सर मैं क्या दिया बत्ती करने लगे थे मैं आपने नाम डाल दिया
अच्छा ओके चल कोई बात नहीं आ जा
यस सर हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन माय नेम इज हर्षल टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल you about Leonardo da Vinci. So as we all know that he was a great Italian painter, and he is well known for one of the most famous painting of the world of Mona Lisa. So he was drawn by him in the 15th century, and he was born in Italy only in 1452, and he was one of the greatest personality at that time, and one of the greatest personality which the world has offered till now. And the his notes and his discoveries are still read by many popular scientists, which were there in his own writings, which he wrote by his own. And some of them are lost in some of the countries, because this happens with the many great personalities, that their work is always lost because of the researches done on them. And the same was the case with him. When his notes and his studies were taken to many different countries, then they were lost. They were lost in the process of analyzing the things inside it. And being a painter, he was also a kind man. There are many instances where people have captured him buying many birds from bazaar and opening their cages so that they can fly. And one of the most important discoveries of him is the Vinci Bridge. It is the bridge which was used by the soldiers at that time. In this, you only required the planks, and
वेरी गुड यार
for those who don't know,
वेरी गुड
planks are the short cut wooden plates of that are a bit thick and of a long size. And he discovered a way in which we can make a bridge of maximum 20 meters, and height can be of 1 to 2 feet. And you can sir what is so like if we make anything, then we unmake it. Like we have solved a puzzle, then we destroy it. What we call that?
Sorry?
And like we have made anything, like we have made a puzzle, then we destroy it and remake it. So what's the word
It
we
is
use
also
for
called
destroy?
puzzle, I think. Uh, there must be a name of it, but I would have to see it. You can continue
Uh,
your.
Okay, sir. I'm continuing. So here we can make that bridge in just minutes, and then after removing just one plank, the whole bridge will fall. The whole bridge will fall apart, and in this way they can easily travel through rivers and escape from their enemies. And this invention was used by the many revolutionaries to travel.
You can say it puzzle.
What's that?
Puzzle.
Oh, okay, sir.
Like wooden puzzle or like that.
Yes, sir.
You can have it that this is called puzzle. Yes.
Okay, sir. So we can just remove it by we can just destroy it by removing one plank, and it will save the time and energy of the soldiers. And that's it, sir.
Very good, yaar. Matlab, what I got that most of you got information about him from where I don't know, but this is a great thing for me that you explored some new things about him. Very good. Yes, come on, Anjali.
Yes, sir.
Beta.
Sir, now?
Yes, beta. Start karo.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meera. Today's topic is Leonardo da Vinci. So, Leonardo da Vinci was the great painter, greatest painter in Italy. He was born in 1452. 1452.
1452. Okay.
Yes. He makes so much paintings, and this famous one is Mona Lisa. He read notebooks, and after his death, the notebooks was given. The notebooks are gone in other countries. When he go to the market where people sell birds in cages and bird in cages, so he buy the birds and open the cage let them fly away to free. And he don't eat non-vegetarian anything. Did not eat any non-vegetarian thing. He only eat vegetables. He is vegetarian because he is having no idea for killing.
Beta past में जाएगा बेटा.
Even
he is not alive बेटा. हाँ yes. Was past में focus कर बेटा थोड़ा सा.
Animals and eating them to eat them. He was interested in many things and try to find out new things. And sometimes he knows something great from his notebook that he read.
That he read. Second form. Yes.
He read.
थोड़ा सा focus कर बेटा tense पे. हाँ.
He was a lonely person and gentle. He makes so much paintings, and sometimes he make paintings. Every time he makes paintings, he gives some clue to people that some message, some sign, some code, and some skill that great painters can't understand. Having that brain. So that's it, sir.
बेटा वेरी नाइस. बट बेटा एक बात, सब कुछ बढ़िया था, बस तूने प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज किया जगह जगह, जबकि मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस यू मस्ट हैव यूज्ड पास्ट टेंस. तो फोकस कर थोड़ा सा बेटा टेंस पे. ओके बेटा. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. वेरी नाइस.